Here we have a standard fuel system with a fuel supply, an RCI Technologies Fuel Purifier, and a small fuel pump to give it circulation. There is less than 1 gallon of fuel in this entire system. This is the quality of the fuel we want to go into your equipment. We are going to add water and dirt to the fuel flow to see how the purifier works. Adding this much water and dirt to any conventional filter will instantly clog the filter, causing the fuel flow to slow and eventually stop. As you can see, the water and contaminated fuel is coming down the fuel line into the RCI Technologies Fuel Purifier where it is being separated. The water and contaminants are contained in the sump, and nothing but clean fuel is proceeding to the final inline filter and the engine. Total maintenance of the purifier is a simple purging. This is the fuel that the purifier provides, clean and free of water and dirt. Truly the permanent solution to your fuel problems.